back to another vlog. I apologise for the noise because I'm obviously driving, so the audio is not going to be that great. I'm currently driving to Jacob's house, and me, Jacob, Crystal, Tanya, I'm not sure if Nikki is coming today, but we're all going to a Mac event. Oh, there goes my camera. Okay, so I don't know how long this camera is going to last up here. So I also did want to say before, like, I guess I get into the vlog, I wanted to say thank you so much for the beautiful comments on my recent video, just touching on, I guess, sexual abuse. I didn't touch on it too much, but there's a lot of beautiful comments on that video and I appreciate it so much, and the response has been like overwhelming but so beautiful. So I'm so happy I did make that video. I won't lie, it was a little bit like overwhelming to film. So I think I'm going to go because I don't think my camera's going to last too much longer balancing up on my dashboard because I'm turning a lot now. Hopefully I'll see you guys, yeah, soon at the event or at Jacob's house.
Okay, I know.
Oh.
I know.
Look at this one here. Look at her. What is she doing? Show us the swatch, hun.
I haven't got any more, doll. There's no more.
Studio Fix.
Oh, this is gorgeous. Like,
Oh, is that like I want to touch it?
yeah. It's like a loose powder.
Shine put together. Lovely. How do you really feel? Sometimes I feel dangerous. Like a ray of light. I'm feeling, should I be honest or not a morning person? My friends embrace their individuality. I use makeup to
Okay, so we're here at Mac. So I've got Rachel, got Jacob, who's just walking away. Just walk away. No.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up? I'll have everybody's channels down below, if you care that much.
You said thank you so
No,
much.
I said if they care that much.
Oh, yeah.
Check out your channel.
Yeah, gorge.
Yeah, they want some clout.
Yeah, we
Is that a word?
need the clout. We need the views at this point.
I don't even know what clout means because I'm old.
It sounds like an STD.
Is that a word that people use? Yeah.
It
But
means
it
like
does
fame.
sound
It
like,
sounds like an STD, but it means like fame.
Okay. I've got clout. I'm not disease. I'm too old. Maybe you should put that non-Mac product away.
No, I'm good.
She's thick.
She's fit.
I don't know what's happening here.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
I don't know if I'm doing like the right thing. Crystal's got green. Cause she's Shrek, you know?
Yeah.
I'm joking. I don't want people to get offended. Like diarrhea.
Yeah.
Is that what it's meant to look like? This. Crystal. Hello. Hello. Where's Tanya? I'm here. This is Jacob's chemist.
Thank you. I'm basically a qualified chemist, like self-taught, but like I'm qualified, like I'm a professional. So.
Let's look at all the shades.
So I feel like that actually suits me.
Yeah, I
Right?
can't even see it, to be
Yeah.
honest.
Look at me go, hun.
No, I don't. This is, I don't know, I
She's a
created this
scientist
shade.
now.
It's a little dark, but
Fake tan.
I was gonna say the tan on my hands isn't the best. It's kind of patchy and white and orange. This is what
Mood.
This is what we really look like.
If you ever meet us in person, you're just like, I'm so ugly. Oh my god.
Me. So we're in the car. That's Sun, and your lashes look crazy. I'm wearing Jacob's lashes. These are
They're
GG.
like little hats.
They're like little hats for my eyes. We're sitting in peak hour traffic now. What's the time?
It is, yeah, 5:30 dark.
5:30. So by the time we get back to yours, I don't even know what time that will
It's
be.
gonna be like 6:15, I want to say.
6:15, and then by the time like I get home, it'll probably be like after 7 or something.
Freeway.
Hello.
it just fucking starts working. I
Hello,
just
Tanya
in
Miller.
park, it starts working.
Hello.
Tanya Miller.
Tanya Miller, hun.
Today was fun. Today was actually really good.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, it was a good event.
Look at Tanya's MAC bottle.
TM doll.
TMs. They couldn't fit Tanya Miller.
Tanya Miller.
It's not focusing very well.
Oh fuck.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Focusing. There we go.
Yeah, and I got SB on mine, and you got Jack.
I got Jack.
Jack.
Oh, did you?
J-E-K, yeah.
Why'd you get Jack? What's the story behind it?
So it's actually like a inside joke with a couple of the girls that I used to work with at MAC. So I was like, well, it's a MAC foundation. I'm really
Yeah,
personalised,
you should
like
get
that,
Jack.
You know, Jack. So yeah.
Jack. Huh.
Yeah.
So I am home from the event, and it's quite late. I actually don't know what time it is. So it's currently 8:26 p.m. and I'm just wrapped up in a blanket. I'm just watching The Bachelor at the moment. I really need to take my makeup off, but I can't be bothered. But yeah, I did want to say thank you again. I know I said that at the start of the video, but thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my recent video. I really appreciate it. I read every single comment. I just wanted to let you guys know that, like, I always read my comments. There's, you know, the odd time that I might miss someone's comment, like on older videos and stuff like that, but usually like on my newest videos, like I will see them, I'll read them, I'll acknowledge them. There were some really big long comments and I read all of them and they were amazing. Like, the support and the love just meant so much to me. So yeah, I just wanted to say that and give all my love out to you guys. You guys are beautiful. I'm so lucky that I've got a bunch of people that in all different places of the world that I don't know, watch my videos and like comment on my videos. It's just so bizarre to me. It's crazy. But yeah, I did have a really fun day at the MAC event. The presentation was gorgeous. They did like a little mini masterclass and they're expanding their shade range with the Studio Fix Fluid foundation. I hope I'm saying the right foundation. I think it's a Studio Fix because that's my favorite foundation. I've got heaps of those like in my makeup collection. So they've expanded the range. I think there's 50 foundation shades in total now, and they're bringing out a new concealer, or it's already out. I'm not sure. I might have to check. Okay, so I did get like a little goodie bag today from the beautiful MAC ladies, so I guess we can go through it together. I did get a MAC Fix Plus. This is one of my favorites. So this is just like a misting spray, finishing spray. So the girls did ask me if I wanted just the original Fix Plus or the matte Fix Plus, which I believe is new, and I just got the original because this is my fave and I just don't like change. I don't know, like I'm really weird. I'm just like, oh, I don't know, give me the normal one, the original. I've got heaps of setting sprays and I've got like heaps of matte finishing ones, so I don't know. I just wanted to stick with something I love, and I almost smacked myself in the eye. I just turned up the TV because I kind of want to know what's going on. But I did get a little sample of the Strobe Cream, which I've never tried. I think this is just kind of like a luminous moisturizer kind of product. It does say on the back pink light, so it might have like a pink reflect to it. I'm pretty excited to try this because it just looks really like nourishing and creamy, and it just looks gorgeous on the skin. I've also got the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance base. This one's in Radiant Yellow. I think I used to own this back in the day, like in the full bottle. I also got a MAC lipstick. This one is Velvet Teddy. I don't know, I'm not going to open it. I feel like you guys would know what Velvet Teddy looks like because Kylie Jenner kind of made it famous. It's just kind of like a nude color. For some reason it looks more purple on me. I don't know why. I feel like it looks different on everyone. And my foundation shade, I got C3.5, which I've never tried before. I usually use NC30 or NC37 in Pro Longwear. I'm really not sure what the difference is. I know Studio Fix and Pro Longwear foundations run a little differently on the scale. Like some run a little lighter, some run a little darker. But I'm trying out C3.5 only because the ones I currently have in my collection all run really yellow. And the reason I did pick up yellow ones is because when I wear fake tan, my fake tan is typically more yellow and golden, and that's why I got those ones. But they're still too yellow. Like they're too yellow for my fake tan. So this is the bottle here. I feel like the bottles are a bit smaller. It's still the same size, like it's still got 30 ml of product, but they feel a little bit more petite in the hand. Maybe they're just a bit slimmed down. But it got my initials on it, which is so cool. The only thing with the Studio Fix fluid is it breaks me out, and it never used to break me out. I don't know why that changed over time of me getting older, I guess. I feel like my skin's gotten more sensitive as I've gotten older, but I'm gonna give it another go, but I always like break out in a rash. Okay, so it's like the next day and I forgot to end my vlog. I don't think there's anything else interesting like I need to talk to you guys about. So this is my outro for the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was good. I don't know if it is yet because I haven't looked at the footage or edited anything yet. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, you can. I wouldn't worry about anything else because I feel like I don't really use anything else. I use Facebook occasionally, but Instagram is usually what I'm most active on. I'm sorry, I touched my hair like a few times just then, but I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.